So, dear students, in this video we are going to see about Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so what are the presentation tools used in Microsoft PowerPoint? So, before going to the PowerPoint, we should know what is presentation graphics. And then we will come to what is Microsoft PowerPoint, and we will learn about elements of a good presentation, and we will learn the difference between slide, slideshow and slide layouts. Okay, so let's see presentation graphics or presentation software, we call it as. It is used to create slideshows to illustrate lectures, seminars and business presentations. So what is PowerPoint then? It is a presentation graphic component of the Microsoft Office suite. It is also one of the presentation software of Microsoft Office suite. It provides all the tools to create presentation in a professional manner with great ease and efficiency. Okay, so before learning what is PowerPoint, we should know what are the basics of presentation. It contains a slide. Slide is what? It is an electronic page which can hold objects like text, pictures, charts, graphics, sound, video, animation, hyperlinks, etc. When the slides in a presentation are displayed in order to convey the message or idea to the audience, it is called as slideshow. So where the slideshows are used? It is generally used for delivering lectures, like main points, diagrams, pictures and animations are used over here. Okay, it is placed in the slides and are verbally explained by the presenter. Okay, that is called as slideshow. Next is elements of a good presentation. What are the elements of a good presentation? Keep the slide simple with no more than 10 to 12 words per page. It should be easily readable. Make the first or second slide as an outline of your presentation. Then follow the order of your outline for the rest of your presentation. So write in point form. Okay, not in complete sentence, and include 4 to 5 points and secondary points. Okay, capitalize only when it is necessary to avoid difficulty in reading for the users. Do not use a complicated font so that user cannot read. Proof of your slides, for example, spelling mistakes, repeated words and grammatical errors that you might have made, that you have to check before presenting it to the audience. Use the effective graphics so that it will be easy for the audience to understand your presentation. Next is what, let's see what are the basic elements of a slide. So it will have the title and subtitle, bulleted text, plain text and text boxes, clip arts, graphics, charts, speakers notes and narration, sound, video and animation, header, footer, shapes, word art text, drawings, hyperlinks, transitions, animation effects, etc. Okay, so let's see how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Always where you will go, you have to go to start programs and then all programs and then click on Microsoft Office and then click on the Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Here I am going to present you Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Okay, so your presentation will look like this. So when you wanted to create a new presentation, what you should do, you have to go to the Office button, click on New and then click on the blank presentation and create. By default, you will have only one title slide in your presentation. What is that? It has a title placeholder and this is subtitle placeholder. This we call it as placeholders or text boxes. Okay, so if you wanted to insert more slides, you have to go to the Home tab and go to the Slides group. Under New Slide, you will have all the slide layouts. These are the different slide layouts. First one is title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. Whichever layout you wanted, you can, if you click on it, it will get added. So if I wanted title and content, so I can adding it. So if I want to change the layout, I can change it also. Same, go to Home tab and Slides group. From this layout, you can click on it. So if I wanted to change this to content as title and content, I can change that way also. So as I told you already, this is your placeholders, okay, and this is your background. Okay, this placeholder will place all the text, charts, graphics, video, pictures, everything will be placed in the placeholders. See, what are the things you can place? Table, charts, smart art graphics, pictures from file, clip from clip art, and also media clip. Media clip can be sound, it can be audio or video clip. Okay, these can be added. So you all know now what are the slide layouts available. Now, as you know, If you see the components of the Microsoft PowerPoint, it contains title bar, quick access toolbar, office button. These are the tabs. Under the tabs you have several groups. Okay, so this is called ribbon. Under the inside the ribbon you have several groups, and then you have the status bar here, and you have views here. There are three different views. One is normal view, slide sorter view, and the one is slideshow view. Okay. It has a slideshow view. So usually you will be working in the normal view. In the normal view you have two tabs, slides tab and then outline tab. Okay, it will allow you to navigate between the slides. So you can click on the slides and then it will be opening for you. And you have right side you have scroll bar which allows you to go up and down, and you have two arrows here. One is previous slide, the other one is next slide. If you wanted to move to previous slide, it will take you, next slide it will take you to the next slide. Okay, and this is your viewing, like zooming or zoom in zoom out button. So if you wanted to zoom your presentation, you can zoom it. Okay, zoom in and zoom out, plus minus button. Okay, it will be allow you to doing it. Okay, so now let's see how to insert text in your presentation. Now let's go to the title. So for example, I wanted to create a presentation on presentation sort tools of Microsoft PowerPoint. So I can give the heading like this, presentation tools, where I want to show in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the way you can enter the title. Okay, this way. So the text can be bulleted text, so it will be easy for you to understand. If it is in bulleted list, it will be easy for you to understand. So same way, so I can click over here like this. What I am going to show, what is presentation graphics or presentation software. I am giving heading like this. Then I will add the content like this. Okay, so this is my content which I wanted to present over here. Okay, I can put it over here now. This way I can create the presentation. So next page. Okay, I wanted to next tell about what is PowerPoint. So I can place the heading over here and the content over here. Okay, so next is, if you are inserting a blank slide without a placeholder, so what should you do? How will you insert the text boxes or placeholders? So if you are inserting a blank slide, so you don't have any placeholder here, so how will you insert it? You have to go to insert tab and then text group, you have text box. So you just have to click your text box from the text group, click and drag inside your blank slide. Okay, and you can move it wherever you want it. If you see this move handle, there is a plus like a symbol, just click on it and move wherever you want it. So this way you can just click on, double click on inside the text box, and then you can enter your text anywhere. Like this you can enter the text. Okay, next let's see how to insert pictures to your slide presentation. Okay, you have title and content slide, for example. So here, from here also you can insert pictures, like see, insert pictures from file. If you click on it, it will open you the from the file. You can click any of the, from your computer you can click on any of the pictures and you can insert into your presentation. For example, if I am inserting from my computer like this, okay, I can insert like this, or else you can go to clipart, click on this clipart image, it will open you the clipart box, and from here there also you can open any of the image. See, you can double click and insert, or you can click it and drag it. Okay, this way also you can do it. Okay, so if I am clicking on, otherwise how can I insert? So click on the slide where you wanted to insert the picture, go to insert tab and then see the illustrations group. From here also you can select clipart or picture from file. So click on this picture, so any of the picture you can insert, or you can go to the insert group, clipart you can select from illustrations group. From here also you can select any of the picture like this. Okay. Now you have inserted a picture. Now we want to resize the picture. So how will you do it? So just select the picture which you have inserted. So can you see this? This is round sizing handles. So can you just see the circle here? It is in green color. If you click on, you can rotate your picture anywhere like this. This is to rotate. This we call it as rotate handle. Okay, and these are the headed arrows. This is to change your picture size diagonally like this. Okay, or next one is if you want to change the height and width of your picture, how will you do it? See, if you see this square shape, you just click. Can you see the arrow, double sided arrow? It will just, if you just click and drag your left mouse button, it will increase the size. So in the width you can also change in this same way. This is the double sided arrow which will change your width. This will change your shape diagonally. Okay, this is the way you can resize your pictures inside your slide. Saving a presentation. Now I have made a presentation. Let's see how to save the presentation, open an existing presentation, and how to close and exit the Microsoft presentation. Okay, so as you all know, you have two options, save and save as. So you all know the difference between these two also. So first time when you are saving, you have to use the save button to save it. If you are working on the same PowerPoint in the when you are doing it next time, if you wanted to save it in the same name, same place, you have to use the save button. So it will get saved in the same place. If you want to save the next presentation in another name, or you wanted to save the updated version in the different name or different place, so that time you have to use the save as button to save your presentation. So I am clicking on the save button. Okay, so it is giving the name on its own. So you have to choose the place where you wanted to save your presentation, and you can click on save. Opening the existing presentation, how will you open it? File button, office button, open, and you know the location where you saved your presentation. Click on the presentation, it will get open. Okay, so if you want to close the presentation, closing is what? It will close only the presentation. Okay, if you see exit, it will exit from the PowerPoint itself. So now you all know how to open a new presentation, opening an existing presentation, exiting and closing the presentation. Let's open the presentation again. Okay, I am opening a new. Now I want to create a new presentation with installed templates, already installed templates. So I have to go to the office button, click on new, and then click on this installed templates. If you see, it is showing you some of the installed templates. So if I wanted to click on this, and then I can use this templates to create my presentation. Okay, just you can change the content. If you want to change the picture, you can change it, but layout will be used like this. Okay, this way I can use. If I wanted to create a presentation, new presentation from the existing presentation, that is also possible. So I have to go to click on office button, new, and then click on new from existing. So from the existing presentation, I wanted to create a new presentation. So go to the online computer, click on internet basics. So this, see, can you see this name? It has copied the old presentation to a new presentation. So I can edit and use the same layout. Okay. In our next video, let's see how to insert some more objects in your slide, and also let's see how to edit the contents of the slide and how to format the content of the slides, etc. Okay children, thank you.